Josh Duggar will remain in prison. The 19 kids and counting alum's appeal for the guilty verdict in his child pornography case to be overturned was rejected by the Supreme Court June 24, according to the Associated Press. The court reportedly did not elaborate on its denial. This is the second time an appeal filed by Josh has been rejected. In October, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit rejected the 36-year-old's first attempt to appeal his December 2021 conviction on one count of receipt of child pornography and one count of possession of child pornography, to which he pleaded not guilty. News has reached out to Josh's legal team for comment, but has not yet heard back. The appeal denials mean Josh, who shares 7 kids with his wife Anna Duggar, will continue to serve his 12-and-a-half-year prison sentence, which is scheduled to end in October 2032. According to court documents previously obtained by News, in addition to his time behind bars, the former reality star was also fined $10,000 and will be placed on 20 years of supervised release after he gets out of prison. The complete Duggar family tree. More from Online. Katie Holmes and Tom Cruise's daughter Suri drops last name for high school graduation. Julie Chrisley's prison sentence for bank fraud and tax evasion case overturned by appeals court. Savannah Chrisley speaks out after mom Julie's 7-year prison sentence is overturned. Josh is the eldest child of Jim Bob Duggar and Michelle Duggar, the parents at the center of TLC's 19 Kids and Counting. The show was canceled in 2015 after 10 seasons on air, after allegations emerged that Josh had molested multiple girls as a teen, which eventually led to his sisters Jessa Duggar and Jill Duggar coming forward to say they were victims. Josh previously expressed regret over the situation. 12 years ago, as a young teenager, I acted inexcusably, for which I am extremely sorry and deeply regret, he told People in 2015. I hurt others, including my family and close friends. I confess this to my parents, who took several steps to help me address the situation. We spoke with the authorities where I confessed my wrongdoing, and my parents arranged for me and those affected by my actions to receive counseling. While the network created a spin-off called Counting On, which followed Josh's younger sisters, the series was canceled after 11 seasons shortly after Josh was arrested for child pornography charges in April 2021. Following Josh's conviction, a number of his family members have weighed in on the case, including his parents Jim, Bob, and Michelle. This entire ordeal has been very grievous, they shared in a statement with News in December 2021. Today, God's grace, through the love and prayers of so many, has sustained us. Our hearts and prayers are with anyone who has ever been harmed through CSM, child sexual abuse material. In the days ahead, we will do all we can to surround our daughter-in-law, Anna, and their children with love and support, they continued. As parents, we will never stop praying for Joshua and loving him, as we do all of our children. In each of life's circumstances, we place our trust in God. And in February 2023, Jinger Duggar provided insight on where she and her sisters stand with their sister-in-law Anna following the trial. We're always here for them if they need anything, she told News of Anna and her 7 children. And I hope that they would know that. She continued, I'm just grateful for the justice system. My heart just breaks for the victims and their families.